I'm gonna kill the workers in this warehouse. I got in hard. I see the workers.
Who is that? OMG, he has a GU.
You rascal!
I don't care, bro.
Look on my belly, it hurts. You killed one of my workers. I can't stand up. Haha, bro's injured. Gotta get out. Wah. The building's about to explode.
Gotta film this real quick. Okay, phone's ready. Oh, I can't stand up.
H. Damn, that hurt. I'm holding on.
Don't release me.
Oh, crap.
Help me, help.
No. I see a weapon behind me. I'm sorry, Paul. This is for God's sake.
Why did you have to do this?
It would be great if he didn't do that.
Agreed.
Rest in peace.
Rest in peace.
I decay what to say. Poor guys.
May all your souls go to heaven.
We ha ye ye ye. Ye ye.